hoping there's enough light for this. Look at all these birds. Oh my goodness. Look at all those birds. It goes all the way down the street. My camera can't go that far. Look at these birds. Thousands of them. Every night, about this time. Oh, there they go, there they go. Truck scared them. They fly around in groups and land on the wire. Thousands of them. It's amazing to me. They don't seem to congregate anywhere else. They seem to like this spot right here, right across from the police station. All the way down the line. Can't tell from the video, but it really is.